someone grabs your hand and tries to pull you and take you somewhere. Hi guys, this is Ishan Bosle, self-defense instructor from Hybrid Warrior Academy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to release your hand when someone grabs it and tries to take you somewhere. So the moment someone is trying to grab you, first thing is that never allow anyone to grab you and never allow anyone to come close to you. At least keep more than one arm length distance between you and the attacker or opponent or the stranger. So if someone comes to talk with you or trying to ask you something, at least maintain a safe distance so you can react. Maybe you can kick or maybe you can punch or you have the time to move out and run away. But if that's not possible and the person is already quite close and now he grabs your hand. So the moment someone grabs your hand, the first thing that you will be doing is strike the person. So first thing that you have to do is distract the person. If you try to pull like this, it's not going to work. He will grab you with other hand or he may come behind you and grab you. Okay. So the moment someone grabs you, immediately strike. What you can do is palm and strike. So from here directly strike his nose. The moment he's distracted, he's hurt, natural reaction is this. Okay. He may use both the hands. And now you are safe to run away. But still he's holding the hand, then you can do this wrist escape techniques. So in this case, what you can do is you can rotate the arm in a circular motion, rotate 360 degree. So take your hand up and then come down from other side. Hold it tightly. See? So first, as you take your arm up, your palm is facing to you. Then you rotate it outside and press it downward. So you're starting from here, you're going up and coming down at the same spot. So you're making a 360 degree circle. Okay, hold it tightly. If the person's grip is too tight, as I said, first thing is distract. Hit. Even though he's holding it tightly, kick on the groin, kick on the shin, kick on the knees. Keep hitting him. He's distracted, he's hurt. Then naturally he's going to leave your hand. And he doesn't leave the hand, then you have the technique in back. So what you can do, you can rotate your arm from inside to outside. So what I'm doing is taking my hand inside. I'm not going outside. I'm taking it inside. Okay, I'm going towards the thumb. I'm not going away from the thumb. I'm going inside like this. Vaibhav, close up mein le liye. So rotate your arm up like this and press it down. So when he is holding it tightly, so or close up, upar, yahan pe. So the pressure is applied on the thumb area like this, and naturally it's released. Also, what you can do is you can grab his hand and push it away. This can be done as well. Grab his hand and push it away. Okay. Another technique can be pushing the hands upwards. So your palm will be going upward and pushing your elbow towards him. So what I can do is my palm is going up and I'm pushing my elbow towards his wrist, towards his forearm. Hold it tightly, tight. See? So in this case, I'm not trying to pull, tight. I'm not trying to pull. He will come. I'm pushing my elbow towards his elbow. I'm going in, I'm stepping in. If you can see, my center of gravity is going inside towards him. So these things can be applied simultaneously with the strikes. I can apply palm strike. I can apply kick on the knee or the shin or groin, whatever is required to distract the person. So his focus is moved from here to there or whatever the target is. Okay, and then I go inside. But if you don't want to attack, then you can simply apply these techniques. So it's going to work in that case as well. So attacks are to distract the person. In case you feel the grip is too tight and you're not able to leave it, in that case you counter attack the person. Okay? Suppose he grabs my hand with both the hands. Okay? So same technique is going to work. I'm pressing the elbow inside and my palm goes up. Hold it tightly, very tightly. Yeah. So hold it tightly so my hand should not release. Okay. If you're not able to do it with single-handed, you can take the support of the other hand. So you place the hand from here inside, grab your palm. It can be like this, or you can make the fist and you can grab your fist. Okay. And from here, do the same thing. Pull the wrist towards you, press the elbow towards you. grab it. So my palm area is going up and then coming this side. Elbow is going towards him. So what it is happening, it's making a circle. It's moving like a wheel. Same thing can be applied with the attacks. 1, 2, release. In fact, you don't have to release. He's releasing himself and I can run away. If you really learned something, if you feel you enjoyed the video, please support us by subscribing the channel. Click on the like button and please share with your friends. Thank you. तेरा बैक है कैमरा को. हाँ ऐसा ठीक.